Are you short on time? Need a necktie knot that's quick and easy to tie? In today's video, we're going to learn how to tie the Oriental knot. The Oriental knot is a great choice if you want to tie a necktie knot that's very simple and easy to remember. 3. This knot works best with smaller proportioned collars, and if you're going to go for a particular collar style, a point collar is recommended. Start tying the Oriental knot by draping the tie over your neck. For this knot, you will have the outside of the tie facing towards you. Adjust the tie until the wide end is longer than the narrow end. The exact length will vary based upon the length of the necktie and the height of the wearer. Cross the narrow end over the wide end, then bring the wide end in front of the narrow end. Now take the wide end under and through the neck opening. Then bring it down and through the loop formed in the front. Tighten the knot by gently pulling on the wide end while holding the knot. Bring the knot up to your neck by holding the narrow end while pushing the knot up with your other hand. Keep your tie looking orderly by pulling the narrow end through the keeper loop on the back of the tie. Your necktie should rest between the top and middle of your belt line. If it's too short, start over, making the wide end lower. If it's too long, start with the wide end higher. The Oriental knot is incredibly easy to tie and a perfect alternative to the four-in-hand. It's a great choice for the man who likes a little bit smaller of a necktie knot that's easy to tie and balances perfectly with a point collar.